Hi everyone! Mabuhay! Namaste! Welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new to our channel, my name is Princess. I'm from the Philippines. I'm married to an Indian guy. Currently, we're residing in India and I want to show you where the places that I'm going to. Today is Valentine's Day and it's weekend. It's Sunday. So, our family decided to go outside and try something new. I am with my in-laws and we're going to have our dinner at Mega Food Mall. So this is how it looks like behind me. See, there are some kiosks over there that serves aloo puri, veg tandoori, and everything. And Gujarat is known for being vegetarian. So everything here is veg. Come on, let's check it out. What's inside? I'm just so excited. And later on, we're gonna share you where we are going to eat and what are we going to have. Come on, let's go. Section is pani puri. It's 50 rupees. Okay, they put some grains inside and then with a minty sauce and it pops in your mouth. So it's a good one to try. It's one of my favorite snacks here. Pani puri.
Pani puri.
Yum yum. Is it nice, Arya? So the kids are having this pani puri. There's water inside with sabji, with grains, and some sweet sauce. And it pops in your mouth when you swallow it. Yes, and then let's go to next. Okay, there is this veg barbecue. Alright. And this one, aloo tikka.
Medium. Come this way. We'll get better.
So they'll make it flat. Jalebi. Oh, now they're not cooking, so there's nothing inside. And then food cart. Noodles. Yeah. So everything is ready there. If someone comes, they will just make it hot. Serve it hot. And momos. Those are the momos. And that's big plate, the Bahubali Thali. So it's for everyone to share. international cuisine there. Hi! Aya! Kaki! Aya! The kids are just playing. Daddy! Aya! You got a balloon? Bahubali Thali, we're having Bahubali Thali. It's varieties of veg with the rotis, with rice, papan, and some chutneys and dessert. I cannot name them all. There's just too many. This is famous in Gujarat.
Because we are almost 12 people, so it's like a mukbang for us.
Yeah, we're having a mukbang, the Indian version mukbang. Then, join us, let's eat. buttermilk. go, go, go. Eat that, go. Finish the food. Finish the leftover, okay? Almost finished. Finish it, finish it. You can do it. You can finish it.
I'll do.
Is the food good? Bad.
Yeah. And food is yummy.
Food is yummy.
So sweet.
Sweet, spicy, tangy, so everything in there. Veg day on Valentine's Day. They are still busy chit-chatting after our dinner. Thank you guys for joining us tonight. Hope you like our video. Please, please continue to support us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Keep safe, everyone. Bye! See you on our next vlog!
It's DJ.